largest rodent of North America, known for its dams. Beaver. Evergreen shrub whose blueberries are actively used in Mediterranean cuisine. Juniper. The largest owl of North America with characteristic feather tusks. Great horned owl. Carnivorous plant feeding on insects growing in the swamps of Europe. Round-leaved sundew. Which fish performed the legendary mass spawning up the Columbia River?